In this video, I am going to talk about my favorite SEO tool which I use mostly all of my articles writing and optimizing. Here you can check it out. These are all the titles I have used to optimize using this platform, and not only that, it has the content writer, it has the also performance checker. And let me give you a walkthrough of this AI writer because this is really mind-blowing. It is going to show you all the NLP keyword that should be available in your article. It is going to give you a SEO score that will suggest you whether you should do more SEO optimization in your article, and it's ready to publish. It will give you the all the competitors analysis. It will give you the outlines from your competitor that should be available in your article, and this is all the thing here. Not only that, if you are facing any issue, then you can go to this AI writing and click here on its AI mode. That is going to help you or implement. You can see this is auto insert. It is going to automatically insert all the top keywords in your article in this single click. So this is really mind-blowing. So this tool is the Neuronwriter, and as the app Sumo turns 15 years old, they have bring back this is the most selling and the most popular tool for the SEO, Neuronwriter, as the deal of the day. Starting from the $99, you can get this platform again here. So it has more than or around the 800 reviews, 5 out of 5 almost. And not only that, you can just get to the optimize articles for your content. You can also optimize or analyze the SERP. It is going to help you research the keywords or extract the high ranking content from the your SERP competition, and you can use its AI to write the content for you with NLP keywords and the recommendations. You can also automate your content writing with your team here. So if I go to the plans and features starting from the $99, you can see you can add up to 2 projects, means the 2 domains you can start content writing. Then we have the content analysis, we have the AI credits per month, AI templates, sharing 11, and all this stuff. So what I suggest, if you have more than the 1 blog or write the more than 30 articles per month, I suggest go with at least double plan, because here you will get the much higher value and the credit. So this is the platform you are going to log in once you got. So let me show you starting how you will use Neuronwriter. So let me go to the dashboard here, and here first it is going to ask you to add your domain as the project. So I am added this one. This is my primary domain for the AI tools and the SEO. So make sure to check this website out. Then after that, you have to click here on the new query. Whether you want to start creating the new article or you want to optimize your article, you can get started. So let me get started with the 5 best AI writers of 2025. Okay, and if you have your old article and you want to optimize with the much better latest content, then you can go with the optimized content. But I am going to give you tutorial how you can create a new one. So you have to add your keyword topic here, and after that you can select the country. There's also the more particular selection available with this city here. Okay, so I will go with the country. Then in the advanced setting, you can add more competitors link here, but don't worry, it is automatically going to find out the top competitors for us from the SERP. So let's click on the start, and now it is going to be load up the things. So right now you can see it is start working out. So we have to wait until this action button. Basically it is researching and analyzing your topic, so it will take some time, around the 20 to 30 seconds. So we have to wait till then. Finally, everything is done here, and now I can click here on my topic to start writing. But before I get into the writing, let me talk about what are these terms. So assign to, if you have your content team member for the writing, you can assign them using this icon. And if you want to add a deadline, you can click here. And without getting into the writing panel, if you want to check it out, the aspects of this your content writing, you can also check it out. For example, this content score has the 76 for the SEO. This is the word limit, and this is the content competition. The higher the competition, the harder the rank for you. So make sure you always target the easy to rank topics. So right now let me go to the writing panel here, and here it will ask you to select the competitors which you want to analyze. So you can see it has automatically selected top 10 ranking. So we will go with the next. Now it is going to load up the our editing panel, where we are going to add the outlines first, then we will start writing. So to adding the outline, we have to go this outline section, and now it is going to show me all of my competitors here. So right now you can see this is the ranking number 1 competitor, this is the ranking number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the best part. Without I needed to go all of these competitors articles, I can easily access here and check out all of their outlines they are covering. So with this single click I can add them here. So I have copied this one, let me paste it here. So this is how I am going to one by one adding all of the topics I am going to cover in my article. Or what you can do, you can simply click here on the smart headings, and now it is going to show you all the top headings covered by your competitor that you should also cover in your article. And with this single click I can edit here, like this is the one, then I can also add this one here, this one here. That's how I'm adding the one by one. Okay, now we will go to the AI writing here. So in the AI writing, there are the multiple AI writing tools available. Like I can expand the text, I can plan my content. We have the topical map, you have the article topic item. So many AI writings assistants available you can use here. Okay, let's back to the term and let me give you the walkthrough. What are these terms available? So these are all the keywords founded by its NLP analyzing tool. That's these keywords should be available in your article, because these terms also used by your competitors to rank page number 1 on the Google. So make sure you also add these keywords. So that's why these keywords are appearing here, and there's also a number available here. So basically these numbers means the quantity of the keywords should be around 1 to 13 for this keyword. Basically that is what. Okay, so there's the no full inbuilt single click content writing here, because that will mark as the AI content rejection, because Google is so advanced it will easily find out that your article is written by the AI. So what I suggest, start writing your content manually, use its AI writing to get few help in your content writing process. Then use all these terms, make sure it's available in your article. With the outlines you are going to find out what are the top subtopics or the titles used by your competitor. So everything is going to help you, and one by one, when your article is the complete, it is going to give you a score. The higher the score to the 100, the higher the chances your article is the 100% SEO optimized here. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let me back to the my this editing panel and open up any of the articles I have created. So let me open this one. So right now you can see in this article I got around the more than I think the 80% SEO score, and this article, okay, it's 72. Sorry, I just forget it here. So if I scroll down below, these are all the terms automatically used here. So best part, once your article writing is done and you don't know how to add these or stuff this keyword, this is the auto insert option available. Simply click here and all the remaining keywords that is showing in the terms, it will be automatically added with the help of AI generate content here. Okay, then the best part, you can manually accept whether you want to add this keyword suggestion in your article or not. So when I click here on the accept, its manual suggestion will be added in my article. So that's how basically its auto insert feature work. Okay, now let me talk about the what are the other features available in the Neuronwriter. So we will go with the management. So in the management, we can get started with our content plan and the content management. Simply we have to click here on the new idea. Here we can get started with all the ideas we have available for our plan. Let me go with the car insurance. That is the example it is giving me. Okay, now it is asking me the additional keywords. So simply click here on the OK, and now this content plan is added as the idea, which I can write more about it in the future. Okay, then we have this one, that is the content management. Basically it is all about your content management, or on the calendar basis it is going to show you all the content you have scheduled or in your future dates. Then this is the performance search visibility. Okay, so here you have to connect your website with the Google Search Console, and now it is going to show you all the data without going to the Google Search Console here. Okay, then we have the team. Basically it's all about the team, adding your team members here. Okay, then in the my project, I have showed you how you are going to add the project. So these are all the core features I have showed you in the Neuronwriter, and its lifetime deal is back again on the app Sumo just for the few days. So make sure you did not miss it. this time here. And I'm also giving out my free bonuses, so make sure you check them out in the description. And now let me answer the most asked question here, whether your generated content or the written content with the help of the Neuronwriter ranks actually on the Google or not. So let me give you the example here. So right now this is the few tools I have generated or used the Neuronwriter for the writing here, and their ranking fluctuate, but yes, they rank higher with the help of the Neuronwriter. So I generated this article here with the help of Neuronwriter and with my manual writing itself here. So this is the AI generated lifetime deal, and if I go to the incognito mode, let me search it here, you will find out that my article for this keyword is ranking on the page number 2. Okay, then the another keyword for the same article, okay, the AI text to video lifetime deal. Okay, so I am showing you in the incognito mode. Let me scroll down below. Let me go to the second page. Yeah, for this itself also on the ranking on the second page. And if I do a little bit more tuning and optimize for much better that the competitors ranking on the first page, I need to add more search terms, more subtopics, and the fresh tools covered in the article, and I'm pretty sure after that this article will start ranking on the page number 1. So I can easily do that with the Neuronwriter here. Simply I have to click here on the new content query and click here on the optimized content, add my that content link, and the text will be automatically fetched on the its editing panel. I will click here on the auto insert for all the terms that is suggesting me to add in my article, and boom, pretty much done in within the, I think it will take around the 15 minutes to 30 minutes, and my optimization is done. So that is also the really great power of the Neuronwriter. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about its lifetime deal starting from the $99. Make sure you did not miss it out, and also check it out the free bonuses I am giving out with the Neuronwriter. So these are all the free bonuses given in the description. So that's all for today's video. If you want to check it out my older videos on the Neuronwriter, this is the video I suggest. That's all. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.